cloud, rain, sun, rainbow. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Matthias.
Hello, my name is Eduardo.
Natural world. Leaves. Water. Butterfly. Bee. Sun. Spider. Spider web.
Crowd, flower, wall, trees, well, poet.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Giselle.
Hello, my name is Genesis.
We are going to talk about natural disaster.
Grisel, what is natural disaster?
A natural disaster is major event caused by natural process of the earth. Natural disaster causes loss of life and economic damage.
There are many natural disasters, for example, heat waves, earthquake, avalanche, tsunami.
Also Genesis, storm, wildfire, drone, tornado, flood. Thank you, bye bye.